Hi, simpliRP has unique conversation or status entry for customer quotations. Go to enter quotation status, in inquiry management, process quotation. Enter the date range to view confirmed quotations. Select the particular quotation. Enter the last conversation or meeting date. Enter the next meeting date. Please select who attended the party this time. Also please enter who will attend the party next time. Enter the current status. Please enter details of the conversation. simpliRP has a unique feature of recording the competitors involved in this sales deal. Click Save. You can see the conversation or discussions has been registered. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your sales department. Thank you.